lose big money if they continue to defy his stay-at-home order.
Plus, mail-in ballot requirement, how the new executive order could impact the November election.
Traffic fears after the pandemic. The study predicting more people on the road and what that means for your commute.
Where the news comes first. This is KCLA 3 News at 11.
Thanks for joining us at 11 tonight. Governor Newsom is warning 3 Northern California counties that they could lose their disaster funding if they continue to defy his stay-at-home order.
The director of the Office of Emergency Services sent a letter to Yuba, Sutter, and Modoc counties warning that they might lose their eligibility for funding. Officials in those counties have allowed businesses to reopen because they have fewer coronavirus cases than other parts of the state.
Now, earlier today, Governor Newsom ordered California counties to send every registered voter a mail-in ballot for the November presidential election. The governor says voters should not be forced to risk their health in order to cast a ballot.
Magician Roy Horn of Siegfried and Roy has died of complications from COVID-19. The pair were a Las Vegas staple for more than a decade. They were known for their performances with big cats. Roy Horn was 75 years old.
And taking a look at the latest numbers for you, in the U.S., there have been nearly 1.3 million confirmed cases as testing expands, and more than 77,000 deaths, with 1,500 patients dying in the last 24 hours.
In California, there have been nearly 64,000 confirmed cases of the virus and more than 2,600 deaths. That's an increase of 78 deaths since the same time last night.
Now, we're also tracking the number of new cases reported in California each day for the past 2 weeks, where, again, there is more testing. The State Department of Public Health just released some new numbers. The latest numbers show that nearly 1,900 new cases were reported yesterday. The good news in this is that the line is mostly level as you see it, with no consistent increases. And counties across the state are slowly beginning to open up for business a week ago today, but 3 counties, including Yuba and Sutter, have taken